Okay, here's a question where I've got a circle, I've got a point, which I'm told is on the circle, and I want to find out the equation of the normal. Okay, so just to recap the method, the point P is somewhere on the circle. I don't know if my diagram's particularly accurate, I'm just drawing it to illustrate the method. The normal to the circle, here's the tangent, but the normal is at right angles to that. It's the line that goes through P and the centre of the circle. So I need to find the centre of the circle, and then I can work out the gradient essentially of the line between P and that other point. So here's my equation of the circle. The centre of the circle, I need to look at the two brackets. Okay, my A and my B, remember it's x minus A, so A is plus 1, and y minus B is y plus 2, so B is minus 2. So my centre of my circle is 1 minus 2. Okay, and P is the point minus 1, 3. So I'm going to work out the equation of a straight line. I'm going to be using y minus y naught equals mx minus x naught. And in order to set that up, I need a point and a gradient. Okay, well, the point that I'm going to be using is the point P, minus 1, 3. Okay. I could use the centre of the circle, but it's best to use the point because when I'm doing the tangent, it has to be the point P. Okay, and for the gradient, I'm going to work out the gradient of CP. Okay, which is going to be the difference in y of the difference in x. So the difference in y, if I start with the minus 2, take away the y coordinate of P, which is minus 3. And then for the difference in x, do it the same way around. 1, take away the x coordinate of P, which is minus 1. So I've got 1 take away minus 1 on the bottom there, which is the same as 1 plus 1. So I've got minus 5 over 2, okay, is the gradient. So I've now got a point and a gradient, so I can go straight to y minus y naught equals mx minus x naught. So y minus, my y naught is going to be, the y coordinate I'm choosing is 3, make sure you use the point you specified, equals m minus 5 over 2 times x minus x naught, x minus minus 1. Okay, and that's a perfectly good equation, especially if I change this to plus 1. I could multiply this out, I could put it into the form y equals mx plus c, or ax plus by plus c equals 0, but it's okay to leave it in this form unless a particular form is requested. So that's it for finding the equation of this normal.